Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve umbrella insurance with Chubb. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding what umbrella insurance is and why it's important. Umbrella insurance provides additional liability coverage beyond standard policies. Research Chubb's umbrella insurance offerings for comprehensive understanding. Visit Chubb's official website to access detailed information about their coverage options. Evaluate your current insurance needs by assessing your assets and potential risks. Consider factors such as your home, car, and any investments you may have. Contact a Chubb representative to discuss your specific needs and goals. Prepare any questions you may have about policy limits and exclusions. Request a quote to compare with your existing coverage. Review the terms and conditions of the umbrella policy carefully. Look for any additional benefits or services offered by Chubb. Ensure you understand how the umbrella policy integrates with your existing insurance. Assess if you need higher liability limits than what your current policies provide. Check for discounts that may apply if you bundle multiple policies with Chubb. Finalize your decision based on the coverage and cost that best suits your needs. Once you choose a policy, complete the application process with your Chubb representative. Keep documentation organized for future reference regarding your umbrella policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.